Hey guys, so I am now on my way home. Ben's making dinner. We're just gonna have a couple of drinks this evening and then just have a chilled one, you know. I bought some little books, BC dubs, but they had some really sick ones today, which was frustrating because it was like not just one, not just two, not just three. It was like 5 books that I really want to read. Anyway, I'm gonna go now because I'm gonna have to drive properly. Okay, so it's night time now, and my mum, who just got back from the US, brought some snacks and some goodies. Some of them are from my aunties as well. I got just a little haul, I suppose. First of all, we opened a Cheetos Flamin' Hot Limon Crunchy. I wanted the jalapeno ones, but I think they're at my mum's house, so. We also picked up these Golden Island 5-year-old jerky, and it's like a Korean barbecue recipe. Butterfingers for days, like Reese's, got some Hershey's. She got me one of my favorite scents, which is Japanese cherry blossom. So she got me the foaming hand soap, which is just, and then also got me the other hand soap here. And then these are what I'm so excited about. It's the Bath and Body Works. Girly, can I help you? Aromatherapy in lavender and vanilla. The same one, but it's the moisturizing body lotion. And it comes in like these crazy, like heavy bouge looking containers. Oh, and they also got me a matching hydrating body cream. So I love dream catchers, always have, always will. And my mum got me this birthstone dream catcher necklace, which is really cute. And then she was saying this one is another one that, but you can either put it on a string and then put it in your room or in your car, or you can sleep with it under your pillow. And then these I was super duper excited about, so she got Ben some stuff. I just have to like big it up as well, because basically if you're in Seattle and you go to the Pie Place Market, please look out for my family store. It's the Memories Unlimited store, and we sell really cool stuff there. One being tote bags, which is chef's kiss, because they are sturdy, thick, like great quality tote bags. They're not the flimsy ones, and the artwork is actually done by one of my cousins, which is amazing. So this one is the market stall feature, and has like all these arrows to like places they can go to at the market. We also sell hoodies, this being one of them, and I absolutely adore that, so I'm definitely going to be stealing this from Ben. And then she also got him like a t-shirt, and then when she went to Canada, she just picked Ben up some like workout stuff, so she picked him up this running shirt and running shorts from the Nike shop. Just looks like that. And then more totes. I asked for just the plain totes. This one is more like long waist, and this is the Starbucks, very first Starbucks one. Again, the artwork is by my cousin, and then my auntie makes these, and definitely check them out. And then my mom just picking up a couple of these because you can never go wrong with hand sanitizers, and the Bath and Body Works ones are just like really good. She also bought these things of Hershey's miniatures. 2 packs for Ben and I, another pack of Cheetos. She also bought me, oh my god, this, steak strips. And last but not least, which I'm so happy about, is I've got a new hydro flask, and it's pink, which is my favorite color. She also picked me up some bits from Aritzia. My sister and I asked for some bits. So, oh my god, wait, another tote bag. So excited. This one again is the stalls. She picked me up this oversized green hoodie that I just absolutely cannot wait to wear, and of course gorgeous girls love matching sets. So here we are with my trackies, which is absolutely adorable, and they're green, and I always wear pink. I really enjoy the combo of pink and green. And then I also got this leggings from Aritzia, these workout duo that I think is really cute. However, they look tiny, but you know, they're obviously super stretchy. But yeah, so I just got these shorts, gym shorts, and it comes with a matching like sports bra top. I was very spoiled. I'm very happy with my little American haul here. There's not much else that's going to happen this evening. I'm just gonna go and chill out. Good morning, guys. Today I will be taking a round on a little day out with myself and my little sister. So I've just gotten out the shower, got dressed, just wearing Ben's big Timberland jumper and just some Zara stretchy trousers, my faves. Just some big old hoops. I'm going to Tunbridge Wells today with my sister and her friend because I always want to go to charity shops and do like some thrifting and stuff like that. So I said to them, let me take you to Tunbridge Wells because they have so many good little charity shops in there. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm gonna need to fix my hair because I don't know what's going on here. So let me sort my hair and face out in 3, 2, 1. I think we're gonna go to Gale's for lunch as well, which is like my favorite bakery. They have one up the road from my work, so I like that they have one in Tunbridge Wells, and my sister tried it not too long ago and she absolutely loved it, so we're gonna do that for lunch. But yeah, I'm gonna go get myself together and then I'm gonna go quickly make myself a matcha to take and then we'll go. So I've just got home, just putting Ash's bits away. I picked her up these mackerel with raspberries for strong immunity. Sounds absolutely disgusting. Just like they have like a pick and mix of treats and they smell gross. And I also wanted to try this. It's frozen, called Naked Dog. It's dog food, and I got her the surf and turf one for working dogs. And it's masterfully made raw meals for dogs. It's 85% meat and bone, 15% vegetables and 0% grains. And it comes in just like a tub like this. And it was just under £5. So I think you can get a few things like that because we mix it with kibble and stuff anyway. Now I'm gonna go upstairs and show you the other bits that I bought because I bought some quite good things. I'm gonna quickly show you the things that I bought. First, I want to show you the books. So I picked up for 99p Dracula by Bram Stoker. Basically, I'm pretty sure I've talked about this, that in a book haul that might come up after this, that I didn't know if I was going to buy this because it's a little bit scary and I'm scared of blood. However, we're going to give it a go anyway. Also, this one, I've heard really good things about this. It's called A Man Called Ove by Frederick Backman. And this was 99p as well. To All the Boys I've Loved Before. J.L. Carr's A Month in a Country. I picked up Ready Player One. And I also picked up George Orwell's 1984. This one looks super old and it's an American copy. So yeah. And then, guys, clothing wise, let me try them on and I'll show you guys what they look like. So the first is just this beautiful dress with like bell-bottom sleeves and it's a little bit booby. However, I like how it cuts across like that as a square, so it's not ridiculously too much. Look at my socks. And it's also like backless like that. This is only £6. Okay, so this one is a Zara one that was brand new. It looks really cute. However, I did not notice that this is a thing. Like, my crotch is here, and then, like, the slit starts there. I've had a look at it. There's no buttons or anything. It's very short, so I'm going to have to stitch that or at least pin it together when I do wear it. But otherwise, I thought that this was a really cute dress. Okay, not gonna lie, I like it, don't get me wrong, but this is actually a top, so you can wear this separately to the pink trousers. Now I don't know how I'm feeling about this. I'm gonna keep it, obviously, but I'm really confused as to what is going on. I feel like the camera isn't picking up on how much nicer it actually is in real life, but it's still not like, whoa, that's crazy, you know what I mean? So yeah, so this one is just like a long top. I was thinking for work I can tuck them into some trousers just with nice jeans to be dressed down with sandals. I really like this. This was only £2.25. Out of everything, I don't know what I was thinking with this one, as in terms of was I really excited, but actually putting them on, it's the best fit out of everything that I bought today. And then last but not least, it's just this top that I thought would be nice for work. It came with this string, and I assumed it wrapped around because there was nowhere else to kind of put the string on. So I think it's meant to just wrap around, but I quite like it loose like that. Just got some very subtle detailing on it as well, and this was only £4, so yeah, another work wardrobe. Good morning, guys. It's now Sunday, and I know that I said I was just filming like a day yesterday, but I got home, did some bits, and then we went out to see a couple of friends for an hour or so, and then came back, just watched the film and fell asleep. Like, I read a little bit and I fell asleep. So we're just gonna carry on and film today, which is more of a productive like day, I suppose. So I've just tidied up and put away some of the laundry that's good to go, tidied up my makeup room a little bit, and now basically, right, okay, here we go. I was going to buy a bookshelf, but the one that I wanted is too big for where I want to put it in. So I was finding myself just picking like a cheap random one just to have, and I was like, I'm just doing that for the sake of buying a bookshelf now. So I thought, you know what? Do my books still fit in the trolley that I currently have them in, which is this? And they didn't, until I realised I had a bunch of space that was being taken up by some pots, some spare pots, as you can see here on the side, that I had from some plants, or like that I've just bought and haven't had anything to put in. So what I'm going to do is, for the time being, if my books fit in this trolley, I'm just going to keep them there until I find the perfect bookcase. Because Ben reminded me, we don't want to just buy cheap furniture anymore. We'd rather wait and save up and find one that we really like, and it's an investment piece, and even if it's a bit pricier, as long as it's something that we can kind of carry on. Because, you know, you buy IKEA stuff, they're just fine. We have quite a few IKEA bits, but sometimes they just don't really work anymore. So that's what we're going to do. I mean, this trolley is from IKEA anyway, so yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. So yeah, so I'm just grouping them by the color of their spines, because I think I'm going to do like a color coordinated, like a rainbow effect thing. I don't know, we'll see what happens. I'm not quite done yet, but people love a blue spine, which is pretty crazy. I know this isn't much compared to other people's collections, but these are all the books that I need to read. All the books that I have read are on a separate bookshelf. These. Okay, yeah. So, I am from the future editing this video. I just realised I never even closed this off or put up a video of what my cart looks like. So what I'm going to do is sign off here, and also I'll put a quick photo of what my book trolley now looks like. But thank you guys for watching. If you liked this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. And it's going to be a good vlog, next vlog, trust me.